everyone, this is Marissa with Fresh Out the Press, and today I'm going to show you how to make custom sublimated car coasters in a pop socket. Now me and my husband, we both have Chargers. I have the Daytona, he has his Catback. So I'm going to make something special for him today. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. So this is the type of car coaster that we'll be working with today, that we're going to sublimate on. And this is how the pop sockets come. This is double-sided adhesive. This is what we're going to sublimate on later on in the video. And of course, what you'll be attaching to your device. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get my heat press ready. Of course, I'm using the Fancier Studios. Very nice product. I'm going to go ahead and set my heat press to 400. Excuse my babies. I'm going to set my heat press to 400 at 60 seconds. Alrighty, she's set, so we're just going to wait for her to go ahead and heat up, and we'll be moving right along. So while my heat press is warming up, I went ahead and cut out my pieces. This is just going to give you a good idea of how it's going to come out. I like for myself to be centered right in the middle. Oh, it's going to be so cute. With the heat tape, that ensures that your image doesn't move. You don't want any ghosting. And with the ghosting, it looks like a little shadow. You want clean lines. So I'll go ahead and get those pieces ready. What you're also going to need is some butcher paper, because you're going to put a piece of butcher paper down on your heat press first, then your object, and then on top another piece of butcher paper. This is going to make sure that no sublimation ink goes onto your heat press. You don't want that because it can bleed through to your other projects. Alright, we are all set. The heat press is at 400 degrees. I'm going to press for 65 seconds. Remember, you have your piece of butcher paper on the bottom, then your material. Everything all nice and centered. Yes, alright. And a piece of butcher paper on top to protect your heat press. I have medium pressure, and let's go. You have to make sure you be very careful because it's extremely hot. So remove your piece of butcher paper. There you have it. Ooh, he's gonna love that. He's gonna love it. All right, do the same thing for your next piece. And the good thing about these custom car coasters that's sublimated, it won't peel, it won't crack, it won't fade. It will stay like this forever. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the pop sockets. Now before you sublimate on your pop socket, you want to make sure that you take off the clear coat. It's very light. Should I rub that off? Alrighty. Alright, I'm going to sublimate at 400 degrees for 50 seconds. I'm going to make one for myself too. My babies. Those are my babies. They keep me motivated. Alright. Let's get into it. Put it right in the middle. Alright, got you right where I want you, baby. Right in the middle. Alright, got you. Okay, now time for my babies. Okay, let's see where I want you, baby. Right there. And we're going to always make sure that we put the metal piece down towards the butcher paper. Image on top, metal piece down. Alright, perfect. Okay. Okay. Hey, Bella. Press. Okay, and with your sticker, I'm going to pull that off. It's a sticky side here. I'm going to go ahead and place that right in the middle. Put it right in the middle. Okay. I'm going to take off this little piece here.
Slippery slopes, and she said when you lying, baby, it all shows, and that's the way I like it, but she don't know my brain is sinking. Didn't know betting on me really wouldn't get me that far. I still get high every day, need a little liquor just to wash down wrapped caviar. That shit hot trash anyway, 3 blunts, 2 bitches, 1 hot box, my car. You still smell the interior, she won't give me top if I beat her at Mario Kart. This that shit, that bitch that won't all on me, go see my guy. Just bought 3, don't think I'll stop. All off key until I drop. It's not clean, just broke my lock. What's that thing if it ain't raw? Aqua team with no fry lock. Can't get back that time I lost. Coke off keys and Shangri-La. I ain't got no shit, nah, I ain't got no I ain't got no shit to say. 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 On the outside, I ain't got no shit to say. I'm feeling like I'm lost everywhere I go. I'm sure shit's out there. I ain't got no shit to say. I'm gonna shit you staying dodging all these roads. I found myself as
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thank you.